I can't see if my camera's on. I'm gonna give a flip. Off we go. Now we're going to go full speed. And we'll go full speed from a start. We have the LEDs on, the blue in the front, red in the back. If you need to trim the boat, you could trim it. That's about the distance you can go without losing signal. You keep nearby. You could go in shallow water as long as your propeller is safely above the sand line. Just enjoy the boat. Up to 30 miles per hour, gives a nice rooster tail, about 2 feet up in the air and 4 feet splashing in the back. I do need to trim the boat. As you can see how far I'm out. You need to watch out for obstacles that you can't see, like over there. This is salt water. It's also part of fresh water, which is known as brackish water. You will rinse the boat off in fresh water and try to get the water out of the cooling system of the motor. It is safe to run in salt water today, as long as you take care of your boat. Now, if I'm out there in the distance, we have this button in the center. We press long press, and I will bring it in. As long as I long press it right now, it should go in a circle. I forget how to do it. You can shut the lights off and long press it without the throttle, and it will do a circle like so. And when you want to get out of it, you just get off the control and it'll stop. There's debris right up ahead as I'm heading. I want to avoid that. If anything gets in the propeller, I'm in trouble. I will have to go retrieve it. This is a self-righting boat. It'll last up to 15 minutes of run time. That means full throttle may not get a full 15 minutes with lights, running, weather, drag, etc., etc. They sell replaceable batteries that you can get a second one. You let the boat cool down to recharge and to rerun. You can go all the way out about 150 meters, 500 feet. And you want to keep nearby, near shore, if you don't have a retrieval. This makes very sharp turns at full speed, as you can see. As we cut the turn right there, you can flip the boat and the boat will upright. We'll bring it in and we'll give another hand toss. You take the boat and it uprights and off you go. Have fun with your boat. This is the Deerc Challenger 2104. It is winter, it is cold. Don't get your fingers wet. There's a small controller for a small hand. It's got a rubber grip, right-handed only, that the left hand has to control it with the throttle, and the right hand the steering. If I run the boat and I run out of power, it'll warn me with the beep that is hard to hear if you're hearing impaired. Also, when you run the boat and the power drops to low voltage cutoff, you get off the throttle and you're able to get it in. Don't keep on running it. It will drop its speed immediately. Colder the weather, the shorter the run time. So now we're going to keep it nearby. You'll notice when the speed will drop, you'll see a drastic change. I can go as far as those pylons. I'm having a lot of fun with the small boat. I'm always full throttle. And off I go. Nice near the shoreline. See the wake it made? Do some nice figure eights. You can race with other boats. 2.4 gigahertz. Now we're just slowing down. Now we just slowed down. That's the time you come in. And that's my fun. If you feel you slow down, you still check your prop. There you go. There's no on and off switch. You can hear it beeping. Over here there's a little drain hole and a drain hole that you're going to get some fresh water going. I am going to safely put my control down and keep my hands away from the back and remove my battery. I'm going to show you how nice and dry this is, because you double hull. You want to make sure you lock these correctly. I keep my cover, and now I shut my transmitter off. I do have some water inside, not a lot, just a little. Sometimes it does get in, as you can see. It's not a lot of water. It is to be expected. And I am going now just leave this like so. When I get home, I'm going to clean it all up. I hope you enjoy the fun of your DRC 2104 Challenger.